Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're exploring a product that promises to take your eye makeup game up a notch, the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Espresso. This is a matte stick eyeliner designed for long-lasting color wear, whether you want a precise line or a soft smudged effect, all without tugging at the delicate eye area. The Stila Smudge Stick is a versatile pencil, offering a creamy texture that glides effortlessly across the eyelid. It's formulated to be smudge, transfer, and fade-proof, aiming for a full day of wear. Espresso is a deep, rich brown that can create everything from subtle definition to bold, dramatic eyes, making it a flexible addition to any makeup routine. In real-world use, I found the glide genuinely smooth. No pulling, which is often the pitfall of other pencil liners. Applying it along the lash line was seamless, and the creamy formula allowed me to blend it out for a smoky effect without compromising the color intensity. It stayed put throughout a full day of wear, resisting smudging even in humid conditions, which is a big win for anyone dealing with oily eyelids or long days. One thing to note, while the pencil glides easily, sharpening it can be tricky due to its soft texture, so a quality sharpener is essential to maintain precision. The pros are clear: the smudge-proof, a long-lasting formula, smooth application, and versatile shade make it a solid choice for everyday or evening looks. On the flip side, the softness can make it prone to breakage if handled roughly. And for those who prefer ultra-precise liquid liners, this pencil won't replace that exactness. When it comes to value, Stila products are typically priced in the mid-range of premium cosmetics. Considering the longevity and quality of the formula, the price feels justified, especially for those who want a reliable, all-day eyeliner without constant touch-ups. Compared to other cream-based pencil liners, it holds up very well against brands like Urban Decay or MAC, though it's slightly easier to blend than some of the stiffer competitors. The build quality is commendable. The pencil is sturdy, with a smooth matte finish that feels elegant in your hand. Given its long-lasting formula, you won't need to replace it frequently, which adds to its overall value. If you're on a tighter budget, alternatives like ELF or NYX offer similar smudge-proof pencils, though they may require more frequent reapplication or may not glide quite as effortlessly. That said, for a combination of performance and luxury feel, Stila really hits the sweet spot. Overall, the Stila Smudge Stick in Espresso delivers on its promises. Its smooth application, staying power, and versatile shade make it perfect for anyone who wants reliable, everyday eye definition or a quick smoky eye without fuss. If you like your eyeliner to last and perform well under various conditions, this is a strong contender. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for stopping by Beautyistic. If you've used the Stila Smudge Stick, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.